answer all of the questions
Okay.
honestly, and you're fine.
Okay, Mr. Cash, follow me real quick.
And not only that, since I act.
Okay, come on in here. So I just wanted to speak with you privately really quickly before your settlement hearing.
Mm.
So again, when we get in there, they're gonna, it's her job to throw mad monkey wrenches at you and at this. I have the points of contention, um, which I'm gonna review with you really quickly. You had just been treated at the hospital. The nurses were bringing you out. You saw what was going on, and in a comedic fashion, you began singing the song. Nurse picked you up, carried you back. You said no. You were literally going to stand at the curbs to wait for your ride. You continued to sing. The officer got tender about it, and shenanigans ensued. Now,
Mhm.
what is really the point is when you said it's your freedom of speech, and he said freedom of speech will get your ass in jail.
Yeah.
That is a complete violation of the Constitution. So they're going to talk a lot. They're going to say a whole bunch of things. At the end, they're going to say whether they want to offer you a number or not after we present our evidence. If you like the number, you'll say, I like that number, let's go with it, which at point we'll go with it. If you do not like the
Okay.
number, you can ask for the number that'll make you satisfied or happy. If they say no, we go to trial and we let the people decide how much you should get.
Okay.
Okay? Do you have any questions for me?
No questions at all.
Okay. All right. But other than that, it should be hilarious and shenanigans because they're going to try you, honey. Keep your temper. Don't fall for it. Let me do the talking, okay?
Okay. I appreciate you.
Hey, come on. Lock this door back. Right. Did I lose him? Mr. Cash?
I'm right here. You want to see me? You want to see me right
Oh,
here?
shit. There you go. um, do you have a number in mind? What's your lowest number?
mm,
So that I know how.
lowest.
Hmm.
I don't want to. I remember I came up with five. You were like, yeah, let's go up to 25. So, no,
Hmm.
I think in between, like somewhere in the middle, like a medium,
Okay.
probably like maybe 15.
Okay.
Maybe 15 would be okay. See what they offer us first, though.
Hmm. They're going to start with offering nothing. They might go to 1
Of
million.
course.
Um, but they're going to try to not give you anything. And then they may put their foot down and say, fuck it, we'll go to trial,
Yeah.
which I honestly think you'll fare better.
That's if they even show up.
The judge says she's having a little trouble getting in the city and staying in the city. Like, okay, we're here.
I'm a daydream for just a little bit, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna put you in my office.
No, you don't get what I'm saying. Why you ain't call me?
Girl, I put all the information in your ticket like I'm supposed to.
Don't nobody pay attention to no Discord or no email, what you want to, whatever you want to say, when they in the
Girl,
city.
you
You
have
got
to
my
pay.
number. Why you just didn't
Girl,
call
you
me?
have to pay attention to it. Well, number one, my phones is always fucked up, and number
I
two,
can't. You're like,
I got
hold on, I can't.
75 things going on at one time. The
Loud, yeah.
phone, I can't do the phone shit. That's why I use the fucking emails. So you didn't see your application? You ain't see none of the stuff?
You saying? My bad.
I say, so you didn't see the application? You didn't see the all the stuff I prepared? You ain't see the notices? You ain't see none of that stuff, all
No,
that fucking
I
work.
talked to you. I talked to you literally the other day when I. Why you just didn't say, "Oh yeah, I've been working on it." Like you gotta tell me in city. I don't be paying attention to that shit in emails. You gotta realize I had the hospital emails, the DOJ emails, uh, uh, emails for all my other jobs. Like that shit be a lot. It's like the email. You know how it is. Emails. That should be too many emails. I don't be paying attention.
Listen, my
But
all of my
JB
jobs
called
go
me,
through the.
so
Yeah, I told her to call you
it's
because I was.
good.
Yeah, I had asked her to call you just now because I was handling the settlement case. So unfortunately, me and the phone don't work too well together simply because of the amount of people and all that other stuff. So I have to do everything through DOJ because of all the paperwork JB makes us do, not to mention the hospital. Same shit. But
All right. So is it
me and
too
the phone
late
don't
or is
mix. No,
it?
no, no, no. You're
Is
you're
it? Is
good.
it?
You're good. But I do need you to look in the emails, look in your ticket, and review what's in there. It's important.
I seen it now. Like when she called me and told me, I seen what she
Okay.
said and what. Yeah.
Okay. Good. So just look over that last notice. She said she would be your character witness for you, because I didn't know if you.
That last notice. The only last thing I see is that you say you was waiting for me.
Mhm. Okay. There's kill.
That was the last thing that you put in there was that I'm waiting for you to love.
Yeah. So scroll up, and you'll see the notice that gives you instructions about what today is and what's gonna happen and blah blah blah, all that good shit.
Hmm. Yeah, I see that.
Am I late?
Okay,
Oh my
cool.
god.
So JB's gonna be
Cool on that.
your character witness, but it should go well because it's not contested. But the judge may want to ask you a couple of questions, and then once it's done, I just fill out a bunch more paperwork. But after that, you're
Come
done.
on, people.
Mhm.
Like, can we go? Like, I was like, this is a lot.
Don't worry, I got you. I just needed you to be able. I just needed you to be here. Otherwise, it would get thrown out. I took care of all the stuff that you're seeing. That's a lot. You don't have to worry about none of that. That's why I get paid. You see all that shit?
Man,
Mhm. And I had to do it after you tried to murder me with your car. But we ain't gonna
I
talk
say
about that.
I hit you the other day. You ain't even say nothing about none of this shit. Like,
Um,
ah,
at
man.
what point am I gonna have time to remember? When I'm doing one thing, I'm not doing the other. When I'm doing that thing, it is what it is. Do you see how much shit that is? And then I got five other people I had to do that for.
All right. So where the judge at?
She's on her way. Let me get you settled in the courtroom. Come on. Oh, this is Kill, by the way. He's one of our other attorneys.
I didn't let Kill be an attorney. It's crazy.
Oh,
They, they just
Bree.
letting anybody pass the bar nowadays.
Bree, you wildin'. I see I got to hold your ass because you wild. Sit your
JB,
ass down. You can third eye the seat, Bree.
I can sit right here.
Mm-hmm. You can third eye it. Mm-hmm.
Mm,
So maybe we could do the expungements first and then do Mr. Cash.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep, that's fine.
Because I know Bree gonna have a heart attack if we keep her here for more than 15, 20 minutes.
Man, I ain't gonna lie, I was in the club.
Ooh
Cause
wee.
what is y'all doing court at 10 o'clock
It's
at
okay.
night?
It's
What's
okay,
going
girl.
on?
Just spray some little Bath and Body Works on yourself. You'll be fine. Pop a piece of gum in your mouth.
Yeah, I'm good. I did all
Yeah.
that in the car. I'm good. Good,
Hmm.
JB.
We gotta make sure you go first, and that way you can get back to it.
Hmm.
All right, let me
And
get
it's
this.
not being contested, so it'll go quick.
Okay, JB.
Oh my goodness, I'm
Hey.
so sorry. I literally just went to change. I'm like, yeah, I got court in 30 minutes. I forgot that this whole city's on Eastern time type shit.
Yes, sir. Well, good. You
My
made your
bad.
time. Wait for me right here. Let me go get Mr. Kane. Cash. Okay. You back in your head? All right, I'm just gonna bring you with
Oh
me.
shit! Oh, I'm
Oh,
supposed to be in here.
oh! Now imagine if something scandalous was going on.
I was
You would have
trying to
made it.
find where to go.
You would have made it 5 times worse talking about. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Okay, come on, let's go. So, were you able to bring a character witness with you, Tay?
I'm his character witness.
And a
Or her
waddle in the
character witness.
walk.
Do you have anybody that you can call down to the courthouse that'll say that you've been an upstanding citizen? It could be anybody, even one of our coworkers from the hospital.
Boogie, it does actually
It's
have
my
to be
nephew.
a non-felonious witness. So like if they have infractions, fine, but they can't have misdemeanors or felonies on the record.
Yes, we put that note inside of their notice yesterday.
Okay, perfect.
Hmm. So yeah, Tay, anybody that would
Nephew,
like works at the
what is you
hospital or
doing
something like that.
here?
You talking about me?
Yeah, what is you doing here?
Look
What
at
you
my
mean? What am I?
friend. You look so cute, friend.
Oh, what's going on, Auntie?
Thank you, thank you. Trying to
Lord, you
make sure
got
I was
court
on
tonight
time.
too. I got court too,
Okay,
nephew.
Babu.
I ain't even
You
know.
need to come
Oh,
back
I'm
in here and
already,
help me with these damn
I'm
court
already
cases. You
late,
be
man.
dirty.
Me
She's
too.
crazy.
This a family affair.
Yeah, I don't know if
Lord, we
I'm a
gotta
good
go
Well,
back.
Ma
attorney,
had to show
man.
me where it
Yeah,
was
you
at.
are.
I
Third eye, nephew. Third
I
eye.
don't know.
Oh, oh.
You'll see.
Hey, first time being in here. You won't see
I
me again.
I temper a little
Man,
bit to the left. I may mess around, and cuss police out or something. I don't know.
Mm-mm. All right. Mr. Cash, you back in your head?
Ooh, getting up to stumble
man,
is bananas.
man.
787.
Okay. We're just waiting for the
I ain't
judge,
gonna
y'all.
lie. With the amount of money y'all charging for these things, I feel like my lawyer should have just been able to handle this. I shouldn't even had to appear.
Yeah, that would definitely be the case for a criminal trial where you're not being called as a witness, or for certain sculpatory hearings like a settlement hearing, you wouldn't have to be there for that. But because the judge is going to want to question you personally about, whatever changes you may have made, you have to be here.
Mm.
Well, I'm glad I wrote a speech.
You wrote a speech for this?
Yes, he did.
Come on now, I'm a stand-up citizen. I've been putting money back in the community.
I've been a stand-up citizen, man. What you talking
I,
about?
I
Standing
can't
up in
say
the
the same
club.
about me.
Oop.
I don't know what man. They
In my
planted that mess on me. That wasn't
right,
even mine. So
Um,
that wasn't even my jacket. I was wearing somebody else's jacket, and all that stuff just happened to be in that jacket. I picked up the wrong coat. That's all.
I've been there, done that.
No. Mm,
He can't. You
eat
can't
that
hear
bread.
King. Damn.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. No, King said he can't hear. Hold on.
Oh,
What everybody in here?
Courthouse gonna get paid today.
Man, now why he done bust in here like that?
Bree, I
TK and
cannot
Scotty
with
finna pull
you.
up, auntie.
Bree, I can't with you.
Man, that guy, I'm trying to go to
what's
the
up, bro?
club, man. I want some
What
Okay.
you
burrito
doing?
tacos.
I got
They
court,
What?
come,
bro.
they coming
I got a
from
hearing,
the
man.
club over here. They gonna pick us up.
You
Um.
ain't tell nobody, bro.
I did. I
Hi.
told you I had a
I
hearing.
was in the
Cinco.
club, but in my
how you doing?
section, drinking already,
What?
No, they're
blood.
not Cinco.
Where's Cinco at?
I'm right
I
here
told
next
you
to
I
my
had a hearing,
auntie
bro.
over here.
Cinco was sitting next to
I almost
me,
said something to you, bro. I ain't gonna
Boogie.
lie.
Bro, I'm trying to get this paper, bro. I got abused,
I don't
used
know
and
why I
abused by
thought you was
PD, bro.
Tay.
Nah, it's
So he
Cinco.
was who?
I'm gonna need all of y'all to get different hairstyles and
Crazy.
faces at this point.
Oh, you got a new
Look,
wig.
I'm sitting next to my
Yeah,
auntie
bro.
right here.
Okay, Cinco. Then where the hell is
Hell no,
Tay?
I'm suing PD.
That's why you
Who the hell
said
is
Kay couldn't
Tay?
hear you. You thought I was
Sorry.
him the whole time.
I don't even know.
No, King is behind you. He can't hear.
I'm at the
Oh,
courthouse whenever you get up here.
Who you looking for? Who you
Alright.
looking for,
Tay,
Boogie?
Tay Shakur. Look
like
just
I'm
like
a
Oh, I don't know who
delinquent
that
look just
is.
class.
like him.
Is that my
Yeah,
niece back
Boogie Man.
there? That ain't her, is it?
That ain't
I ain't your
six, is
sister,
it?
is it?
That's right,
Oh, they
I
here
bro.
don't
for
think
King.
so.
Okay.
She look like six.
Yeah.
Hi
He do
guys, if
look
you
like
guys are
that.
gonna be here, if y'all could just please third eye the seats and sit
Oh, they're
down.
my brothers.
Hold on.
Lord, it's a family affair in here.
Come
Thank
on.
you. Just
Why
third
Y'all
eye
is
the
gotta
all my
get
seats and
family in
right.
here?
grab a
It
chair,
don't look
grab a
good. It
seat.
look like we're a
Hello
family
to the court,
affair.
bro.
Y'all gotta get right.
Look, man, we run the city like Gotham. What you talking about?
Okay, so
Ooh,
that's my brother
wee.
back there, my nephew
I'm
right
not,
here.
they not, I'm not in no
Come
court case, bro.
Biscuits.
on.
Okay, Cinco. Where the hell is
Ooh.
Tay?
Oh, you sitting so close to me, man.
I could be
I
both.
was
Fuck
about
it.
to ask you, bro. Go ahead.
They have him go outside and change outfits. No,
Right?
don't do
I
that.
promise you they got the same
Bruh.
exact hairstyle, same look, same everything.
Come on. I wouldn't
Mm-mm.
have
Like,
got dressed up for this.
Nah, my
That's
nephew
why I
put
didn't
that shit on. He got
recognize you.
his court clothes on and shit.
You thought I
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
was gonna come looking like a
I got
hoodlum? I'm
court
a
cases.
changed man.
You better not have. I'd have been up your ass.
Mhm.
I've been doing community service. I've been cooking, going on hikes and shit.
Good. I'm gonna tell the judge all about all of that, especially the community service. Do you have proof of that community service?
No.
Don't mention it then. Say you want to.
Okay.
You're making plans to do it. Don't say you did it or do it.
I got you.
Mm. Lord, I ain't prepared for this. I was not prepared for this.
Don't worry, I got you,
Look,
Bree.
got you a little crowd now, don't you, Auntie?
Oh, I ain't scared of no people. I just don't know what to say.
Right.
Say what's on your heart.
Yep. She's just gonna ask you about you. It's
Man,
nothing you can be prepared
yeah,
for.
yeah,
Just
I ain't
tell the
gonna
truth.
lie, y'all want to know what's on my heart. My heart is y'all
At
are
the
trying to get
club.
a quarter mil for this expungement hearing. Take this quarter mil, get it.
Shit. I'm about to get
That's
hit
what's
with a
on my
couple.
heart.
I'm gonna get
I
hit
ain't
with a
gonna lie.
couple times that.
Man, nephew.
Look, tell me why I was doing some stand up shit, just chilling. And police tried to pull up on me on my way here. I'm like,
Guns
I'm
still open
on the
right
way
now.
to court.
Posted 141.
We gotta get that record clean so
Man,
they know.
that's what I'm here for, to get my record clean, man.
Yeah, same.
Y'all just gotta be careful. You only get one of these per lifetime.
2500.
Oh man, I should have saved mine then for once I
I was
racked
about,
up
I was
Saved.
about to say the
commit meth.
same
No, don't.
thing,
That's not.
Auntie.
No,
You
no. Don't
guys
say
didn't
that in
know?
front of the DA.
Nah, we just playing.
I
It's
didn't
April
finish
Fool.
it. I ain't finished saying it. April Fools, yeah. I
You
joke.
didn't
I
hear that
kid.
shit
I
because
joke. I
Jesus.
joke.
nobody has been sworn
I
in.
joke.
You ain't hear shit.
I joke.
Fuck is y'all at?
Oh, Lord, you should have
Man, ain't
told us
nobody
this
on my
ahead of
shit.
time. You only get one per lifetime.
Or the
I only been locked up once, man.
man, dumbass. Yeah.
Hmm.
Let her go.
Damn.
What time is it, y'all?
Nah, it's too late to postpone this for possibility. Like, for me to be like, or is it
Well,
once I'm on the books, I
it,
ain't
Dumbass.
getting no more.
it's up.
Dumbass.
That's true. If you want to, you can pull it. That is your option.
Okay, and I can pull it and I can use it later, possibly
Hmm.
if necessary.
Yes,
Yeah, I might
What's
do
up,
that. I'm trying
twin?
to go to the club.
you'll have
I ain't
to,
gonna lie to you.
Uh,
but you'll have to
uh,
pay the
we
attorney.
in the courthouse.
Girl, I paid you. I gotta pay you
Yeah,
again.
right when you walk in, go
Yeah.
to the
Do you
left.
see how much work that shit was? Seriously? You think I'm doing all that?
Girl,
You think I'm gonna work another 4 hours for free? You got me fucked up.
4 hours. 4 hours insane. 4 hours is insane. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know you did not work on that shit for 4 hours.
Listen, let
You
me
know you
explain something to you. I
copy
had to meet
and
with
paste
you.
that
I had to
form.
find out what
Do
the fuck
not play with
happened.
me.
I had to go to the DA.
Okay,
I
and
had
yeah,
to fill
and
out the
that's what I'm saying. I
paperwork.
paid you for
We
that.
had to.
I paid you for that part already. I
That's
paid you for
right.
all that already.
That's right. But I had been promoted to
Yeah.
judge, and therefore you will have to find a new
You
attorney.
a you a judge now?
Yes,
Oh
Yeah,
sir.
she
my
a
god.
judge. I thought she was finna be our judge today.
Okay,
I
then
thought
just
we
throw
was,
this
you
shit
feel
out.
me?
Oh
Oh,
god.
I thought we was all finna run through this shit real
What
quick.
kind of
Oh god.
malfeasance y'all
Like,
trying to get me arrested for? You got me fucked up.
ain't nobody trying to get you
Man.
arrested.
The
Oh, I
fuck?
keep
You
standing
my
up.
lawyer, so you can be the judge too, and you know
Hell
I ain't
no.
did shit.
Now you
I'm
know
Free
where you
my
can
innocent.
put
dog.
my
Free
I'm
my
ass in
dog.
innocent.
jail.
Free
I'm
all the real
innocent,
niggas.
bro. This courthouse getting thick.
Free the
Ain't
real
no
niggas.
way.
Free the
Ain't
real
no
niggas.
way I ain't finna. I know everybody
Free the
coming
Paris
to
finna
real
get
and
the
keep
me.
the
popping in
rest.
this
Y'all
bit,
making it
boy.
seem like I associate with
Man,
criminals
Free the
and
real
stuff,
and keep the
man.
what's
rest.
good, twin? What's good, twin?
Yeah,
Nephew.
man.
How you doing, Auntie?
My
Auntie,
Hey,
that
nephew's in this
way.
bitch.
come
Big
on and sit
Cartier
down,
shit.
What's
You
y'all.
know what
up?
the
Sit
fuck
down.
going on, man.
We want your auntie to win her
Hey,
case,
bring your
and
ass
me
over here.
too.
What you doing? Oh,
Sit
hell
Oh
down.
no.
yeah, I'm tripping. What
Don't
am I
act
doing
up in
right here?
here.
Nah, you good, twin. She tripping.
You good, twin?
I ain't going back. Not today.
Hell
Tell
What?
no.
her, man. Tell her.
What she got
Salute to
going?
that.
Shit.
You hear me?
I ain't going. Hey, what you sipping on?
Just
Let me
third
get some.
eye.
Don't
I'm
worry about that.
thirsty.
Just go ahead and third eye to
Hey,
see.
twin.
Sit
This
down.
your
Oh
lawyer right here?
shit.
Nah, my
Nah,
lawyer
bro.
right here in the
What's
suit.
going on,
Oh
man?
shit.
Wait, so who this
In the
right here?
pantsuit.
Who?
This
You
is
know she a
another
lawyer and she in the
criminal.
I'm over
pantsuit.
here looking
This
like
is
Murphy
another
Brown off
criminal.
this bitch.
Nigga said criminal.
Third out of seat.
Mm-mm-mm.
Twin.
Hey, hey, bro, who got some drink in this motherfucker? I'm getting
Twin.
stressed.
Twin.
Brody
Hey,
next to you had something to drink. You
Yeah.
need something to drink for real, nephew? I
no.
got you.
I'm talking about some liquor.
No, not in here.
I,
Oh
I got
I
some
got
I
you,
Gucci.
left the
twin.
liquor in
Come
my
here,
car.
twin.
Oh,
I
she
left
got
the
some.
liquor in my car. I didn't know they was
I
gonna have a little Gala
actually
shit
do
in
just
there.
need
You gotta
something.
sit
I
for
need
it.
Hey,
something
I got
non-alcoholic to drink
Casamigos on
though.
me.
Just sneak,
I
just sneak it in
actually
my
do.
pocket. She ain't gotta
I
know.
got you.
No.
I got
She
Hell
you,
will
no.
twin. I
know
got you.
because that big ass
I
is
had they
slightly
told me
drunk.
to
It's
sober
gonna come
up.
over your
Hell no,
head.
son.
Yeah, they told me to
No, no, no,
sober
no,
up. I was already in the club
yeah,
when
cause
they
what'll
said
happen
that.
is, yeah, your
I'm
breath will
just
be
kidding. I'm
smelling
drinking
like
on
that
water.
stuff.
You know what I say to that?
That shit.
Here you go, boo. Get some fruit juice.
What's the
I
ghetto?
say, fuck
God,
them.
where the judge
I'm right
at?
here.
He
You
in
You
better
got
Oh,
Rock
you got
chill.
Out.
some
thank you,
fruit.
Queen.
We
You
gonna
I'm
got
good
shut
some.
on
up
food.
after
Yeah, I'm
this.
good on
That's my
food. I
little
just ran out of drinks for some
family.
reason.
My little
Oh,
niece and
she
nephew.
what?
Hey,
We
at the
introducing.
courthouse.
Am I
I'm
the
just
only one
having
that heard
work.
that?
Don't play with me.
Oh,
You
for
work for
real?
the judge?
Hey,
For
where
real?
my going?
No.
Sound like it.
I don't
Who
think so,
Who
that?
gang.
uncle is that?
I
Man, who
seen the
uncle that
judge took
is?
the night off. She gotta throw all this shit out
Y'all
because
are
she
y'all
ain't
really?
make it.
Y'all better not be trapping in here. I swear to
Oh
God.
hell no, ain't
Probably
nobody
trapping
trapping.
us, auntie.
Then who the
Not
fuck
We
is
me.
that?
trapping.
Look, look, I ain't got
Huh.
no drugs.
You
I
can
I plead
smoke
changed
the
in
my
here
fifth.
though,
background.
right?
You wanna
I
check?
plead the
No, you
fifth.
Look,
can't smoke in here.
I'm always
Bree.
smoking on my
look.
ops.
I ain't
I
got
can hit
no
my vape.
drugs on me. I turned my life around.
I promise
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
I can
Ain't
hit
nobody
my
Mhm.
in here
vape
in
in
this
here.
goddamn
Twin, you
pantsuit.
sure
God damn it.
that's a whoop-tie, twin?
I
I
know
think
you
so.
hot. It's hot as hell in here.
Hell
Oh
yeah, I'm
no.
hot.
Big galaxy guys,
You
nigga.
You feel me?
really?
Where the
You're
judge
gonna
at?
get put out.
Get your
Oh,
He
ass.
gonna get put out. Put
I'm
his
chilling, I'm
ass
chilling,
out.
I'm chilling. No, I'm chilling, I'm finna put it
You
up. I'm
got one
finna
more
put it up.
time,
I'm
and
finna
I'm
put
gonna
it up.
let
Where
the
the judge
police
at?
handle
I'm
Alright.
your
about to go to
ass.
the club,
Nah,
bro.
put it
And
up.
say,
Put it
Shit,
up.
bring
Put
the
it
get
up.
club
out,
in
Well,
Well,
here.
yeah.
well,
Sorry,
nitrous
bud.
oxide,
Aside.
food
Don't
grade
say I ain't
nitrous
hot.
oxide isn't illegal, luckily.
Yo.
You better walk, friend. You better
What he
walk.
said? What he said?
You seen the street?
Okay, you seen the strut, right?
Nah,
My
you good.
fa-
You can sit
Yeah.
Sis,
right here.
He told me you
yo,
can still sit right
I'm at
here.
work.
Nigga, I can't. My nephew
Type
think he
shit.
grown.
Type shit.
He think
Yeah.
he
Type shit.
grown.
Yeah. There's a few
Y'all got it.
settlement
Uh,
hearings today and stuff.
Hi, everybody.
Ooh,
are you the
court's
Hello,
starting. I
judge?
gotta go. We're at
Hello.
the
Hi, Your
courthouse.
You
Honor.
going to jail tomorrow?
How
Okay,
you
You
doing,
going
Your
to
then.
Honor?
jail.
y'all.
You going straight to
Okay.
It's
jail.
God,
over with
just
for you,
came in
gang.
on the
It's
Y'all
over.
phone,
better be
Oh,
strutting
good.
her damn
me.
self.
Bree, she can hear you.
Free my brother, man.
Said she came in strutting. She
You gonna
said,
send me
I
to
ain't
jail,
saying that
gang. I ain't
bad
gonna
bitch
lie
Wait
to
a
to
you.
the
He
minute,
real
judge.
Bree.
comfortable over there,
I want
Scotty.
you
He
to win your
real
One bad,
comfortable.
case.
one
That's
bad bitch
fact.
to another bad
That's
bitch.
I
fact.
got it.
Hopefully she
Oh,
let me
okay,
Hey,
go,
well,
but
nigga.
that's
Hey,
how you
you know.
nigga.
win it
Pass
right
that
there.
My
shit,
fault,
nigga.
gang.
Whoa,
My fault,
twin.
gang, twin.
Whoa.
You know you gotta hit it back,
Whoa.
twin. You feel me?
Whoa. Hey.
Yo, it's
Hey. Hey. Slide.
Exorcist in
Slide
this
me one.
motherfucker.
Slide me one, twin. Be quiet.
I
Be
am
quiet.
weak.
Throw me one, twin.
Hold on,
I
I
ain't
got
Oh,
you.
fucked
does
She
up
it,
had to
with
lie.
do
that.
I
we
said
need a
she was gonna
doctor?
put me out.
Type shit.
He back there
Feel
noodling like
me?
a mug.
Who?
Limp noodling is crazy.
Wait a
Yo,
minute. What?
yo.
What is
Hey, what's going on in
going
this?
on? Scotty, what are you doing?
No.
Nah, auntie, I ain't doing nothing.
That perk, don't
I'm
come to work.
I'm here to
That
support.
perk working.
You know that's my friend.
Nephew, sit down. What is you doing?
Looking like your
No.
spine needs support.
I promise
Jesus.
it ain't nothing, auntie.
Okay.
nigga
I know
popped
she
up.
beautiful, but maintain
The
your
perk got
dignity,
to
son.
act different.
Yes,
Boy.
ma'am. It
Maintain
be
your
hard.
dignity. I know. I know.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Hey, the
That
Aquarius,
outfit
I'm in
cute,
court. I
girl.
can
You
call you
better
back.
work. Mm-hmm.
Thank y'all. Thank
I thought we was
y'all.
at a fancy
Okay,
club.
come
Okay,
through. Come
yeah.
through, Judge. Come through.
Okay.
You need an assistant?
Scotty.
Can everybody hear me okay?
Hell nah,
Yes.
I can't
Yes,
hear you.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, I can
ma'am.
hear you.
That's all good.
Okay, period.
Go on, shout.
Okay,
Say
give
it
me
with
a
your
quick
chest.
second. Let me see what we got going on.
If we go in alphabetical order, I think I might be first.
No,
No.
I'm first because I was here first and
Cinco,
I'm
you here
first
for
in this
child support,
pew.
son?
You see where I'm at.
Child support? Hell no, nigga.
Oh.
Only thing I'm supporting is my community.
Yeah, you talking about.
And if we go in alphabetical order, B is before C still, anyways, but it's good.
Okay, you ain't wrong. You ain't wrong.
Somebody said they need you to go on shout, Judge.
Give me 1 second, y'all. I'm sorry. 1 second.
Mm-hmm. I would say take your time, but
Hey, son.
sheesh.
What's up, twin?
Bree.
Man,
Shade. The shade.
quick, twin. I ain't gonna lie.
Man, my nerves bad in this courthouse. What's up?
My palms
You
sweating.
need a yerky, twin?
Got one on
Shit.
you.
courthouse
Oh
big.
yeah.
I'm trying to tell you, turn.
It's one, two out of the amount of people in here who going to jail. I know it ain't
Me?
me, not me, not it.
Not it.
Not it is crazy.
Oh my God, Scotty.
Everybody vert. I mean
Vert.
everybody vote vert.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
What just
I vote for
Hey,
yeah. 'Cause
Auntie
it did
he
Boogie,
was
not
don't
being
make
vert owe
he
you
was
sense.
some
being
money.
mean. He was being mean to
He
me
was
earlier,
ducking,
y'all.
Auntie.
I was
Let me look up his
Yeah,
man.
file.
Here they
Shit,
go.
he just
Here
yeah,
they
might.
go.
yeah,
Where's your receipt?
yeah. I paid mine. I paid my bills was
Man, I'm supposed
paid.
to be your favorite.
Oh my God.
Okay, I am
You,
so sorry for
yo,
that, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh,
Got
take your
some
time, Judge
That
Nicole.
better be some juice. Unless I'm tweaking.
I thought
I'm
somebody
trying to.
just did
I'm not
that.
sure what I want to do.
Order in the court, y'all.
Oh shit.
Oh
Whoa.
Ooh,
shit, she finna fall
congratulations.
out.
Whoa.
Hold on, let me
Oh,
get up there real quick.
congratulations.
Whoa.
Oh
Uh-oh.
hell
I'll be the
no.
Uh-oh.
stepdaddy.
Oh, wow.
It's time for
Let's keep it real
percolate.
cute around
Congratulations.
It's
here,
time for
ladies and
percolate.
Order in the
gentlemen.
court.
Spell
Okay,
that out.
Order in
Percolator.
the goddamn
It's
let
time
court.
we're
for
gonna
God
keep
damn
it
it.
percolator.
real cute and
Scotty.
let's, act like, grown folks, do what grown folks do,
That's why I was
Okay.
I
putting
know.
this
I was
perk. You
just
know what I'm
Get
saying
him
saying?
together,
I'm trying to
Judge.
have
Get
Okay.
him
somebody step
together.
up.
Thank y'all for the
You're
people that were
glowing.
congratulating me.
Come up, Bree. Come,
Yeah.
come up, cause you're gonna be first.
I'm
Come sit in this
coming.
chair here.
I'm fucking third out of this year too.
Hmm. Not that one. This one over here. The second one.
I was about to take your chair. My bad.
Don't take my chair, please. Thank
Everybody get
Type
one.
you.
shit, type shit.
Okay. So today, are we hearing? Okay, I'm sorry. What are we hearing first?
First up, Judge, we have the expungement case for Bree Wakisha.
Okay.
Or Keisha,
Once-
period.
Free my TT, man.
Nah, send her ass to jail.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Okay, can you go ahead and give me a brief background on previous charges?
Yes. 2 seconds, Your Honor.
Whole family full of drug dealers. Shit crazy.
So, Bree
I know
Wakisha,
that's right.
she was originally
Vert, why you say
arrested
that, Vert?
by the Atlanta Police
Look,
Department
he my man.
on
I feel it.
September
You know what I mean.
26th for three charges, Your Honor. Possession of a controlled substance with the intent to distribute, Class A.
God
Criminal
Damn.
possession of firearm, Class 1. And criminal possession of a firearm, Class 2. She was wrong place, wrong time. And I think that she can tell you herself what happened on that fateful night. Whenever you're ready to hear from her, Your Honor.
Okay, and that was Miss Waukesha. I'm ready to hear.
Yes. Bree, you can stand up and address the
I
court.
just happened to let me stand up.
Yes.
Judge, I was just, at the gym working out one night and before I went to the gym, I went in the locker room and changed and I think I had grabbed the wrong bag and the persons had all this stuff in their pockets and I didn't know. It was like it was a little cold in the gym and I put a little jacket on and I didn't know all that stuff was in the pocket. And then, I'm just on the treadmill working out, and then boom, police come out of nowhere and just throw me in handcuffs. They ain't ask me nothing. And they found this stuff on me, and just like, I don't even know how I got there. It wasn't even my jacket. Like, just wrong bag, wrong place, wrong time. Like I said, I picked up the wrong gym bag. I was just trying to work out.
Okay, so
I was already 7 months pregnant, so it was a lot going on. The pregnancy brain got to me. That's all it was.
okay, and I can understand that, especially in that time, carrying another human.
And may I say, Your
Yes,
Honor,
ma'am.
that Ms. Wakisha was released after conviction with time served on 10/26. And while what she was carrying was not her, she still decided to be accountable and took responsibility, served her time, and is now looking to have her record expunged. She has been an upstanding community. She is a well known and well respected obstetrician at at Pill. She has delivered many babies. Miss Bree, can you shed some insight into your time at
And
Pill
who got some food
as
over here?
OB?
What
Yes,
you got?
I've been a OB for a few years now, and before that, I did just serve as a paramedic. But uh, I don't know what you want me to go. Yeah, deliver babies.
Hmm.
Okay, well, we appreciate that for sure. Now, just to my understanding, you said that this last took place on 10/26.
Correct. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
You talking?
Okay, so let me see. So that's about 2 weeks. 2 weeks, no trouble. For you. Um, I'm sorry, about 2 months for you. Which I think is very outstanding. Especially um your field and your contribute to the city. So with that, I don't think we had any contestants from the state on it. So we can go ahead and approve that for you. Um, the courts do charge a 50,000 fee for the expunge. Other than that, would you be willing, able to pay that today?
Your Honor.
Yes, I can pay it. Oh,
Yes,
go ahead.
Your Honor, may I approach the stand?
yes.
Yeah, pregnant.
I'm
Can you guys hear me?
Let me see.
I'm sorry. Yes.
Hear you.
Um, Your Honor, I actually did come here as a records witness, for the purpose of records keeping and to be a witness for some of the individuals seeking expungements today, just in the capacity of, excuse me, just in the capacity of the record. But I do know Bree Waukesha personally, so I did come here as a character witness on her behalf. But I did want to shed light that I was not aware of the full nature of her case, and had this been brought to my attention, I would have sought for the dismissal of certain applicable charges. So if I'm able to retroactively do that today so that her fines are not quite so expensive, if the courts would allow me to do that.
I think that would be a great help to Miss Keisha, and I commend the court for
Yeah.
standing up. Hmm.
So wait.
So
You
what I'm
weren't aware. Okay, run it by me again.
I wasn't aware of her case in any capacity. This is a case where she pled guilty, and it was not furtherly, looked into or investigated on my behalf. I was unaware that there does seem to be enough layers of circumstantial information to suggest her not only being not guilty, but possibly innocent. And I'm stating that had this case been brought to my attention, I would most likely have dismissed the case or dismissed any major charges associated with the items in the bag that did not belong to her.
But Miss Waukesha herself pleaded guilty.
It is common, for citizens sometimes to plead guilty in fear of the system failing them, or perhaps they just are maybe embarrassed and would rather the situation just go under the table, hoping nobody knows about it. And also that keep in mind that, it does carry a risk that, the citizen may feel like the system could fail them. And if they get found guilty, she could have lost her job. So she was probably intending to work out a deal and maybe never got around to it. I was never made aware of the case because if I was, I most likely would have dismissed it in light of the information I just heard today.
So are you telling me that there's no MDT or any record to this
No, I'm
arrest?
no, I'm stating that there is a record and that she will be paying $50,000 per charge on her record. And I'm stating that was I aware of the full nature of her record and the reason she pled guilty, I would have dismissed any charges associated with the items in the bag, causing her fines to be significantly less. So I was asking the court to allow me to retroactively, in light of learning highly probative information about her case, and that this probative information suggests that she's not only not guilty but may be innocent of these charges. I would like to proactively dismiss any charges associated with the contents of the bag that was not hers, so that her fines to the court may be significantly less.
Okay, what numbers? What are the numbers that we're talking about?
Just a moment.
Looking for good looking.
Yeah.
So she is facing PC 802 possession of a firearm. I believe this was inside of the bag, so would have been dismissed. PC 2-702 possession of a controlled substance with intent to distribute. Um, um, this was due to there being over 99 total quantities of a controlled substance. This was also in the bag from what was stated. I would have dismissed this charge as well. And criminal possession of a firearm, class one. From what I'm understanding, is that this firearm was found on her person. So this is just a citation for her not having a license for the firearm. So the only charge that would have stuck is the PC 2-801, since that item was on her person and not in the bag. Oh, I'm so sorry for stumbling.
Um, and Miss Waukesha, can you speak on to why you did feel the need to plead guilty at that time?
Yeah, I pled guilty because they were trying to give me like 400 months in jail, and again, I was 7 months pregnant, and I was nervous to be in jail and have my baby in jail, and yeah, and so I felt like I had no other choice but to plead guilty because I didn't want to, go into labor in jail.
Okay, and for that I can understand. So the courts will allow, yeah, so we will allow the droppings of those charges, and we definitely hope that this is a lesson learned for you, Miss Waukesha. Be careful
Yes,
what
it definitely
pick
was.
up.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor. We'll go ahead and get the rest of the
Thank you.
paperwork ready for Miss Wakisha to handle, and I'll get everything signed off and for you. Bree, that's it.
Auntie
You're
love the
done.
kid.
Okay,
I'll handle the rest of
Thank
everything.
you.
You are
Thank you,
free to go.
Judge. Thank
no
you,
problem. Thank
JB.
you.
Okay.
She ain't did nothing wrong.
Yes,
Free her.
friend.
Now I'm curious
What
now. I
criminal?
Okay,
need my nephews
Don,
to get off.
Well, it's a criminal.
Shut up,
come on
King.
and take a
Yes,
seat.
ma'am.
Her MDT has been
You know,
updated. My apologies for the interruption.
That's why you
No
here.
problem. Thank
Nigga
you.
said
pursuing
be here the
APD.
whole night. I ain't gonna lie.
Okay.
Oh shit, yeah. Let me see next year. Give me some money.
I don't know.
Okay, you can go ahead and take a seat.
I'm broke.
A
What's
judge,
this?
let me know when you're ready, and we can proceed to the next expungement hearing.
You're not listening.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. So, Your Honor, today we bring forth the case of Don Cinco Cartier. He is seeking expungement for
My nephew did
several charges that occurred on various dates through this year of 2024. The charges are as follows: reckless evading, first degree speeding,
That's stupid too.
reckless driving, possession of controlled substance class A, criminal possession of a firearm class 3, brandishing, resisting arrest, possession of controlled substance with intent to distribute class A, possession of items used in the
Knock me out,
commission of
son.
a crime.
Charge him with everything they
Okay,
can find, huh? The
pretty
fuck?
lengthy there.
Now, I will say that while it does seem like a long list, as we all know, it can take just one event for the cops to rack up countless charges, especially if a chase ensued. And that's what we're witnessing here. I will go on to say that the DA is not contesting the expungement of Mr. Cinco's file. He has been an upstanding citizen and is here to answer any questions that the court may have for him today in regards to his behavior since that arrest.
Yes, and I'm sorry. Can you clarify the date of that last arrest?
All of these arrests happened within 2024. It is across several. I think the very last one was probably a month and a half ago.
Okay. And how have you shown changed behavior in the community?
You can stand up, Mr. Cinco.
Yeah. Your Honor, I've just been supporting my friends and family as of recently. It's really been hard to get a job with my history, as you have heard, so I haven't been quite able to do that, but I'm willing to do community service. I've been doing a little Uber driving and taxiing people to pill when I can in my spare time. Other than that, just trying to be a better person and, you know, be a real stand up citizen in this community to make the city of Atlanta a better, safer place.
Excellent.
Okay.
Excellent.
The little dry ass clap.
I don't see you clapping.
Mr.
Now
He's so
with
Cinco, you can
dry.
get
your
off the table.
Oh, my bad.
Okay.
Weak ass clap.
with the charges that you have, I know that you say that you are willing to do community service. Miss X, is that something that has been worked out or is possible to be worked out?
Yes, it is possible. Since he's already familiar with PIL, we do have a program where we do need security as well as candy stripers to help us with, as you know, we're in an epidemic here of gang violence. So we do need help with the injured. The doctors could use any type of help and assistance we can get.
Okay. Um, d- I'm gonna be expecting you to really stay out of trouble, and really not let this happen again. You know.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, so I will go ahead and allow this also. Just make sure he's aware of the charges that'll be collected through the courts.
Yes, yes, he is aware.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll sign off on this.
Okay, fantastic. All right, Mr. Cinco, we're good. Good to go. So
Let's
tomorrow I'll
do it.
connect you with the DA, and we'll get you down to pay those fines. And yeah, you're golden.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
You're
No
Mm,
welcome.
problem.
No problem. Thank you.
Is Mr.
Yeah,
Shakur
man.
here? Tay, is Tay
What
here?
club we go to, man?
Tay
Yeah,
Shakur?
yeah,
Come
man.
on, let's go
Well,
celebrate.
Tay,
Let's
you here?
celebrate.
you
Going to
still
the
want to do
club.
something?
Yeah, yeah, man.
Okay.
TT, you coming to the club?
Your Honor, it seems like our last expungement case, he probably wasn't able to make his
Man,
flight.
grab it, son.
I'll ask if you could
Nephew,
Okay.
please
come on.
have his
You
rescheduled.
feel me? Yeah.
Yes, I'll get with you on a date.
Okay, perfect.
Your Honor, will you be clearing these associated charges from the citizen records, or will I be doing that?
Feel me?
If you have access, you can.
All right.
Okay. Um,
You just have to go in behind me and sign off on them.
Yeah,
Yep, we'll
for
do.
this hearing. What you doing all these expungements?
Boogie, we can meet about that later. I know there's quite a few charges.
yes. Okay. Next up, I guess we could go to the hearing for Mr. Cash.
Okay, is everyone
Um,
available?
I don't think the police department is here unless JB's filling in for, standing in for the police department.
Yes. Oh, we need to switch places.
Oh, yes. Let me get Mr. Cash.
That's not. That's
Mr.
great.
Cash,
Yes, ma'am.
it's your turn. Let's go.
I bet.
Okay. Okay, you're gonna sit in the far chair over there, and I'll sit in
Which
this
one?
first, on the other side.
Gotcha.
Hmm. Okay, just have a seat. Okay.
Okay, so we will be hearing the court case of Cash versus Atlanta Police Department.
Your Honor, this is the mediary hearing.
Okay, sounds good to me. Um, Miss Boogie, you want to go ahead and tell me what's bringing us here?
Yes. Mr. Cash has filed a civil complaint against the Atlanta Police Department for a violation of his civil rights on three counts. Count one, violation of civil rights under the First Amendment of free speech. Count two, violation of his civil rights under the Amendment of unlawful seizure. And last but not least, count three, a violation of his civil rights under the 14th Amendment of due process and equal protection. Mr. Cash is seeking damages, punitive and compensatory, in the amount of 15 million. And we are here today to see if a settlement can be reached without having to go to trial. All evidence has been presented of the incident to the court last month, including video evidence as well as testimony from two witnesses.
Okay, and how does the state response?
Just a moment, Your Honor. So in within context under the current pending to be changed civil system, claimants are not required to submit minimum evidentiary corroboration for their lawsuits. All corroboration is saved for discovery. So, upon investigation from my team and I into existing PD records as well as incident reports, we even combed over all of the CCTV footage from the front of the St. Pharisee Hospital from the 17th to the 20th, and we were not able to find any video footage corroborating the statement. So, in light of no form of corroboration from the plaintiffs, nor any corroboration existing in any form of record or reference on the side of APD, we are only able to respond in the capacity of standard operating procedures. So, with that being said, it sounds like one of two things could have happened in this case. a crime had recently been committed at the hospital, or the hospital may have called the police, making the area a crime scene and making everyone there trespassing. And it is also well known that the federal government has very strict laws surrounding trespassing. So, in this probability, excuse me, um, in this probability, it is possible that Mr. Cash was being trespassed from the property. And with the laws, everyone does have the right to their First Amendment freedom of speech, with the exception that exercising such a right does not jeopardize public safety or any form of investigation being done by APD. And it is said in the complaint as written that he may have approached the PD vehicle, which may have had a suspect inside, meaning that the officer may have been concerned that the plaintiff would have drug the protectee from the window and took off with him, as is common practice, by, for lack of nicer words, some of the unapologetic do-bads who would like to, not see their loved ones being arrested. So we do believe that the officer may have given a lawful order to the plaintiff, which was disobeyed, as he was, exercising his right to free speech, causing him to be detained and then relocated. And I affirm this based off of the lack of any arrest or civil incident records. Again, these are only theories that could have occurred based off of standard practices, since we have no form of corroboration to properly and adequately speak on.
Okay, and the response to
The
the
response
asking
to
amount. So
our response to the asking amount is we have spoken with hospital higher ups, as well as the mental health division of the hospital. We were unable to find where Mr. Cash has been treated for any major injuries in relation to the handcuffs, or sought any mental health treatment from any licensing body within the hospital. And not only that, this is a tort case. He's bringing a case against the APD, meaning that there was an action or act of neglect that directly caused damage and harm. But this could not have been the case, because based on the available information, the little information that we do have, it sounds like the liability of all injuries associated with Mr. Cash's detention falls entirely on him, due to him failing to obey a lawful order and having to be detained and then relocated. So we are making one single offer of 1.25 million, and the APD has expressed that they are not willing to negotiate any further on this matter. Without further corroboration.
Okay.
Miss Boogie, do you and your
Yes.
client need a moment to speak?
Well, I would like to. My client gave me instruction before we came in, and
Okay.
I would like to say we would definitely counter, simply because just because the officer either did not turn his body footed camera on or deleted it doesn't mean that what happened did not happen. We do have video of the incident. We have testimony from two upstanding citizens, nurses, who were witnessing and tried to stop the incident. We also have the fact that Mr. Kane was being treated for his injuries at the time and was walking out with two of the nurses when this incident with the police happened. And we dare say that the officer was caught on camera saying to Mr. Kane when he said, "Hey, I can sing." Mr. Kane was simply singing, Your Honor. He said, and I quote, "Freedom of speech will get your ass in jail."
Your Honor,
So,
I would.
so,
Oh, I
hold.
apologize.
Uh, so we do not, in fact, take 1.5 million. Um, the client will definite is definitely it is within his right to demand whatever amount he sees fit when his civil rights have been violated, and we seek to have um, the court and the APD come with a number that would is not a, that's not an insult to my client and to justice itself.
Your Honor, I would like to object to the soft allegation of destruction of evidence. That would be an act of corruption, which does carry a death penalty in this city. The officers of the Atlanta Police Department, they carry themselves with honor, integrity, and decorum. And the Atlanta Police Department at this time are not prepared to make any major negotiations beyond the scope of the initial offer without further corroboration. Every effort has been made by the defense to corroborate these very serious allegations on our end, and there exists no single form of record, video, written, or testimonially on our end to corroborate this. I cannot, in good faith, as a representative of the state's interest, authorize any further negotiations without further corroboration. So we are asking for pre-negotiatory discovery so that I can properly address these allegations and possibly advocate for a suitable settlement. But without corroboration, I'm not able to do that.
Your Honor, the evidence has been in discovery since last month. In the essence, in respect of our time and the courts, we ask to move forward. If the
Okay.
APD is
So
not
it's
willing,
either
let's go
going
to
to
trial.
be, yeah, that's all I was going to say, because you guys came here to kind of make a settlement. If there's not going to be a settlement made between you two parties today, it's either going to be the option of you guys taking it to trial, or um, I could look over it and make a decision myself. So it's going to be on the state to make the call. Um,
So, Your Honor, the client would like to exercise his right to a jury trial.
okay.
Oh, I didn't take my tablet out, my apologies. I'm emailing a PD higher up to see if they are willing to further negotiate beyond the 1.25. Just a moment. Oh shit, girl.
Hmm? Nah, you had to take a little nap real quick. shit tripping?
It's mad quiet right now.
Okay.
Okay, Your Honor. We do empathize that there may have been a lack of professionalism on the end of the arresting officer in this case. I can affirm that one of these officers is on leave and the other one no longer works for the APD. And with that being stated, we don't believe that the lack of professionalism justifies the aggrandized amount of 15 million. So our final office offer in this matter, as we do believe that the plaintiff did violate a lawful order, he was asked to get within a certain distance of the subject vehicle as it did have a person inside of it. And our laws do state that any scene set forth by the APD should carry a radial distance of about a semi truck trailer or a school bus distance. He was clearly standing much closer than that. Um, and the lack of professionalism notwithstanding, we do believe that the officers executed their duties within the scope of their jobs, and this should be protected under vicarious liability. And out of good faith, we make a final offer of 1.75 million.
Our client denies this amount. We'll take it to trial because I quote, freedom of speech will get your ass in jail. Also, he was injured and being assisted by two nurses. We'll take it to trial.
All right. So we'll be setting a court date hopefully within the very near future.
Baby
Um
brain.
yes. Um so yes, please be on the lookout. Um yeah, court is adjourned. I'll see you guys soon.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, DA.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good work today, everybody.
Where the
Thank you,
babies at?
thank you, thank you.
Whew.
What happened?
All good to go? Or do you
Yep.
wanna be talking
What the fuck
afterwards?
Yeah.
happened,
Let's
yo?
let's go talk in the hallway in the
I
office.
bet. So what happened?
Koya,
What the
you
I
can
fuck
go
go
to
happened?
court,
next.
bro. I go to court though.
He's gonna be going to
Damn.
trial.
The long court
Mhm.
case on trial now.
Free that man.
What's up, man?
Come on.
Okay. Come this way.
Y'all gonna let me in too?
Yeah. Yeah. You can come in as long as he's okay with it.
Yeah,
You
that's
guys
my
should be
brother.
able to sit in the chairs. I think you should be able to sit in the chairs. Yeah.
Ooh. Not gonna lie, my eyes I cannot see no chairs.
You can't see the chairs.
Having a
Well,
little headache, yeah.
as
Having a
long as
small
you can
little
hear
headache.
me, then that's fine.
Yeah, of course, of course.
So, how do you think it went in there?
On our end, good. On their end, she was lying.
So the great thing
A lot
about
of
it,
lying going over there.
I think that once we put this in front of the citizens of Atlanta, you will probably get more than what you asked for, simply because of that quote. I think we should make a mixtape record of him saying that to you, and then
Mm-hmm.
leak it around the city.
Yeah, that's insane.
He said, "Freedom of speech will get your ass in jail." I said,
That's exactly
"Oh."
what he said.
I'm
Yep.
like, how could they not just offer you whatever you wanted after that? But
Freedom of speech will get your ass beat.
it's
That's what he.
right.
That's
That's the
basically what he told
campaign.
me. That's
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 basically
the
what he
basically
told me.
campaign.
now the one
Good.
thing that I don't have is your sessions with Dr. Morgan. Remember, I advised you to please, please, please go to therapy. Please
I
tell me you
got you.
went to
I can get
therapy.
that. No, I did.
Okay.
I'll
Um,
talk with him.
right, because we're gonna have to call him. He's gonna be subpoenaed
Hmm.
that you did seek therapy, that we are a teaching hospital, if you were to go anywhere else, how much this would cost, blah, 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 but more so to the damage that was done to your psyche as a result of what happened to you. And anybody watching that video will be like, that was fucked up.
Yeah.
It really was. Okay. So, yeah, so we go to trial. I was hoping that they would at least come with at least 5 mil.
Yeah, at least five. I would have allowed him for five, but she
All
took my
right.
1.25. Yeah, nah.
And with the way the economy is right now, like,
That'll be gone within a few, you know?
exactly. Not to mention is that all of the cops is now buying big ass multi-million dollar mansions based off of the fines and fees they get from y'all on a daily
Man.
basis. Hmm.
I've been avoiding police for a long time now. I have not my record is clean.
Yes.
They can't say I've done anything.
Make sure you stay clean whenever you
Yeah, for sure.
fly in. Do it on green grass. I don't know if you
Hmm.
have a job. If you don't get one,
Yeah, I do.
particularly between this period and next, only fly into the city when it's time
Hmm.
for you to work and shit like that. Um, stay clean. Stay as clean as you can. If you can't stay clean, do it smart. Don't have over 100 items of anything on you. Don't do more than two hand to hands in any location. Um, make
Sure.
sure you deploy lookouts. I don't know if you're affiliated or not, but keep it easy.
Well, what the fuck is you
We're gonna
wearing?
try to make sure that um, we have this in front of the judge within a
Oh,
week
nah.
or two, depending on
Your
getting
Honor,
a
Damn it.
jury.
did the defense counsel
Okay.
ever leave?
Okay. So
All right.
let's see what else we have.
Okay, yeah,
But for the most part, just stay
I need to
clean.
get with
Stay
her about
clean.
the
Don't do
cases that I'm gonna
nothing.
be dismissing from the record today.
I got you. Trust me, I got you.
Okay.
Definitely stay out the way.
Stay out the way. Where are you working now?
What is it called? Cafe Luna.
Okay. Oh yeah, I know Cafe Luna.
Yep.
Okay, I think somebody's at the door. Hold on one second.
Yeah.
On the door.
Oh, not falling off the desk.
Hello.
Hello, I'm almost done.
Okay, I just have to meet with you about the list of all the cases being dismissed per the judge's orders.
Okay. Yep, we're done. All right, guys, we're done. You guys are free to go.
Oops, sorry. I swear to God, I did not mean to do that.
Mr. Kane, I'll be in contact with you in the emails. Stay off the radar, okay?
All
If
right, I
something
got you.
happens,
Appreciate you
call me
very much.
immediately. Yeah.
Yes, man.
Okay.
Oh, I got a new phone. Let me get your number.
Yes, please. Accept. And here's mine. Got you. It say no caller ID word.
Yeah, I'm gonna text you. You can change it.
All right. Hey, Bando, can I give you a call back? I'm in the courthouse right now.
Alright,
Okay, I'll call you back when I'm done.
alright.
All right.
All right, I got you locked in.
Okay.
Appreciate you.
All right, Mr. Cash. Later.
Alright.
Take care.
You too.
All right. Go bless you.
DA, come on in. JB, I don't know if you met my good girlfriend Koya. Koya.
Yo.
Hey, I
Hey.
have.
Koya is the person that is responsible for bringing me into COA. She's
Hey.
the one that introduced me to all this
Hey.
wonderfulness.
Yeah, she's a vibe. I run into her all the time.
Yeah, I was about to say,
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I've seen you a few times, but last time I saw you, you weren't pregnant. Well, congratulations.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hold on, let me about to okay, we could go through this. My eyes are still on, but it's cool. Okay, so what do we need to know about right, so what's my next steps as far as expungement? Bree, I know is you're just gonna wipe hers, but as far as Mr. Uh
Mhm.
Cinco,
Has the judge billed them their fines, or will you be billing them and then transferring the payments to the court? Okay, so yes, so you'll have to add their court fees to your fees, take your portion out, and then I'll have to bill you for their part of the fees.
Okay. Bill me
Or
for
the judge
theirs.
will.
Okay. Yeah. They've already paid my fee. Um, so it's just that, and let me collect that from them first before I pay out.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not doing that no more. I'll collect. What's the number? What's the dollar amount I'm to bill them?
I'll tell you in a second. Okay, so for Bree, 2 charges got dismissed, so hers is 50,000.
Okay, Bree. It's 50K. Okay. Uh-huh.
Just a second, I gotta update this too. Guilty. Expungement granted by. Okay, save. So for her 693, I updated that. I think Tay was the one who didn't make it, and it was Don Cinco.
Okay.
Don Cinco. Ooh. Oh my. Okay.
Yeah, Don Cinco has a lot of charges.
Okay. Court granted expungement. Expensive fine. 51, 52, 50. So that's 250. So that's 250 to 250,000 for 646.
Okay.
Just a second. Okay, so for 505 that, oh wait, let me do this and save myself some time. So 5150, so that's 150 for 505. And oh my. 51, 52, 53, and that's 300,000 or 317. So I'm gonna add that up. So 300. Oh, save. And then 150. And 250. So that'll be 450,250.
$450. Say that one more time. I'm sorry.
$450,250.
Got it. Okay. All right. I will put this in his ticket and let him know right straight away.
Thank you. Total to be paid to court.
Okay.
450, 250. And I noted this in the most recent incident. Each incident has it, but the total is on the first one.
Okay.
Okay, so I am going to be meeting with APD to talk about the settlement hearing falling through, but I do still believe this might be able to be resolved amicably. What is, and within reason, girl, come on.
Mm-hmm.
What is the defendant looking for?
5.5.
5.5. So we do have to keep in mind that
It's
he
not the
did
economy. He wasn't
not the
arrested. Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
oh not the economy, but he was detained and released. He was not arrested. This has not gone on his record.
Mm-hmm.
And they did have a protectee in the vehicle. He was asked to exercise his First Amendment rights within a certain distance of the vehicle. So he shouldn't have gotten within a semi truck's distance of the vehicle, which he did repeatedly do so.
He was being escorted to the curb as is standard practice at the hospital. He had just
And
came out for being treated. The police, it's not common knowledge of this police rule of this tractor trailer distance, especially when the person that they put into custody was being treated at the hospital. No one has any way of knowing any of this because sometimes the officers come for heels as well. So it's, I would just say, um, it might be arguable if the police officer didn't just flagrantly violate this man's civil rights. And then on top of that, arrest him while on crutches
detain.
in front of the nurses who were screaming
Detain.
and crying and just like, what are you doing? This is our patient. He can sing if he wants to. I also think that the officers need, in addition to the 5.5, they need anti Tinder dick training because everybody's tired of them getting into their fucking feelings because they
Okay,
don't
listen.
understand how to, you know what I'm saying? So 5.5
So
is
I
I'm
number
feel
so
one.
I'm
fat.
so I'm countering,
You are
girl. We're
not
both
fat. You
fat.
are beautiful.
I mean, hot Cheetos and ranch.
No, boo boo.
Explain.
No, boo boo.
Wait,
You look good.
so we've devolved from hot sauce to ranch.
Oh,
Hey,
God.
there's hot sauce on them.
Focus, pregnant
Oh
ladies.
my. Sorry.
I am
Damn.
5.5
focused.
is his number.
Um, I counter with 2.25 and a required sensitivity training of the entire APD.
The citizens of Atlanta will give him over 20 million. I guarantee you. 5.5 mil. Let's save time. Get the Tinder dick training popping and be done with it.
Sensitivity training.
I'm a PL. I can say what I want. Okay.
Because again, I can't offer any higher because he violated the crime scene law,
It wasn't a
the
crime
semi
scene.
truck thing.
It wasn't a crime scene. And we can argue that effectively and win it.
I'll bring it
Ooh,
to the
ooh,
officers.
ooh, yep.
And again, let them know the free freedom of speech will get your ass in jail. And that was recorded on several 4Ks.
And I'm not gonna lie, I'm wondering why none of that. I'm wondering why none of that was caught on the CCTV because me and the other DA, we literally spent 2 hours combing through all of the CCTV from the 17th
Where the
to
snack?
the 20th, and none of that
I
was
got
on
you.
it.
Want some fish and grits?
Sounds interesting.
And that's why I say I wasn't saying that they did do something. I said that it was either deleted or it wasn't turned in. It's either one of the two because the nurses at the hospital are not going to lie on the police.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, okay, so
And all of them had their cameras on during the incident, so it's three different points of views from citizens. So you run the risk of calling citizens liars. So I'll be real.
mhm.
That's
Did you
real.
need a PD
so
officer or at all?
so I'll talk to the officers, and we can schedule a private mediary hearing where they'll give me another offer to make, and if it gets denied, we can go to court.
Okay.
Ooh, this fish is crunchy.
All
Ooh.
right,
That fish is
thank
good too.
Mm-hmm.
you.
All
Oh
right,
wait,
boo.
you have food?
Yeah, I didn't give you
Yes,
fish and
she
grits.
can see you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
I can see your belly from here.
There you go.
And I can see your forehead from around the corner.
Ah,
Yellow shit.
at least I don't see them bunions.
Oh,
Bunions is crazy.
that
I
part.
could be a foot model.
Come on, y'all. I'm lock up this
Mm-hmm.
office.
You and them cracked toenails.
Oh, please, fresh mani petty. Don't get started, stretch marks.
Bye, y'all. Woo.
Sis,
Oh wait, I'm walking
you
out
ain't
with
gonna
y'all.
talk about my stretch marks. Okay,
Both of
it's
y'all.
your fault.
Oh shit, I can't pick both of y'all up. I have seen some people pick up two people at once. I'm trying to learn how to do that too.
Because you have to carry one person and drag the other.
How the fuck you do that?
I think if you're clocked on duty of your hospital, you can drag people and and then and then carry the other person.
Interesting.
So you have to third eye drag the person.
And then carry.
Yeah.
Ah, I was doing it backwards. Okay, got
Mm,
it. Ah.
that's how nurses be snatching people off of folks' shoulders.
I saw all that booty
Yeah,
jiggle too.
I saw the back of your thigh. Keep playing with me.
All right, ladies. I'm gonna see y'all later. I gotta fly out real quick.
Yeah.
Okay, be safe. You at JB, my
You
boo.
go
I was
say,
talking to somebody about you today. I was like, I love my JB. Girl, your girlfriend is mad brilliant. JB is just a brilliant person, a brilliant mind. I
that's
love
my
her.
sister.
Thank
Oh,
you.
your sister. My bad.
You.
No, you're good. She just knows I have two girlfriends. She hasn't met Juicy yet.
Mm-mm. I just thought you
I
were
like
juicy.
mines a lot. She's funny.
Oh, yeah. All right. Love you, boo. And I
All
will
Yeah.
right.
see you later. It's nice to meet you.
Okay.
See you again. What's your name? I know I ran
Harley.
it. Harley.
I'm her sister.
You're gonna have to remind me a few times, but just let you know I'm horrible with names. I'm horrible with names, so please don't take offense. But I recognize it.
Okay.
After she meets you a few times, it'll be
It'll
fine.
sink in. Yes, it's an old lady brain. It's an old lady. I'm middle aged. It's an old lady brain.
Mhm. And sister got pregnant brain. You know,
Oh
it
yeah.
works.
Yeah.
All right. I'll see y'all later. I'm out.
Hey.
Hey.
Okay, so I gotta go to the station.